Imagine being able to enrich any lead inside your automations, instantly pulling verified emails, phone numbers, and full LinkedIn profiles and company information. Instead of wasting hours hunting down missing emails, phone numbers, or LinkedIn profiles, imagine dropping any name, email, LinkedIn URL, or even a company into a workflow and instantly getting back a complete verified lead profile. Well, that's now possible with the official Wiza N8N node. And to make it even easier, we've built a complete ready-to-use workflow template that you can add to your N8N account for free. The link is down in the description to get that. But before you grab it, let me just show you quickly what the Wiza nodes can do and how the sample workflow works end to end. So what exactly can the Wiza nodes do? With Wiza inside N8N, you're not just finding an email or a phone number, you're actually running a full enrichment pipeline that can take partial info like a name and a company and return a complete enriched lead profile. So that means verified work emails, direct dial phone numbers, LinkedIn profile links, job title and seniority, company name, size, industry, and location, and all of the other metadata that sales teams care about. You could choose to pull specific fields when you need them, or combine everything to instantly get the full picture on a prospect in one shot. And because it's powered by Wiza's verified data API, you're guaranteed reliable, enriched data at scale, directly inside your automations. It's the exact system trusted by top sales teams to enrich millions of qualified leads every single day. Now, let me walk you through the free workflow we built with the Wiza node so you can see it in action. Now, this is just a sample workflow to show you the power of each node, but you can drop these nodes into your current workflows and level them up with full enrichment. So with this workflow, step 1 starts with a form trigger. You enter whatever information you already know about the lead, which could just be a name, a company, or even just a LinkedIn URL. And then step 2 is the smart routing. The workflow automatically decides whether to run targeted lookups, like just an email, or a full enrichment for everything available on them. Then step 3 runs the Wiza enrichment. Behind the scenes, the node searches and returns all the verified data it can find on that prospect. And then in step 4, the results are merged together and scored. Duplicates are removed, and you'll see the data quality score so you know exactly how strong the record is. Then in step 5, the data is synced directly into your tools. Now in this demo, we're showing HubSpot, Airtable, and Google Sheets, but because this is N8N, you can push it anywhere you want. Your CRM, your database, Slack, or any other app in your stack. Then finally, the workflow gives you a clear success or fail message on the form. This is so you always know exactly what happened behind the scenes. This means you can go from just a name and a company to a fully enriched, ready-to-use lead profile that gets synced to your CRM or database, completely automated inside your existing N8N workflows. So if you're ready to stop wasting time and start automatically enriching leads with full profiles inside N8N, then grab the free workflow template right now. The link is down in the description. You'll also find a link to get your Wiza API key so you can start enriching contacts today. And if you want to see what else you can build with Wiza and N8N, then check out this video right here on the screen, or go down to the link in the description if you don't see it pop up on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. Now go build something amazing, and I'll see you in the next video.